Yo guys, what's up? So today we're just taking a look at the dividend paying stocks I have in my Robinhood portfolio. So the past 30 days in May, I've got these dividends that were paid. So I had SHLX. I have about $194 in that one, and I got a dividend of $4.21. SCM, I have about $100 in that one, and I got a dividend yield of 64 cents. Okay, NNN, I have about $200, $194. I got a yield of $2.23. PAA is a oil pipeline. Got a dividend yield of $2, and I have about $117 in that one. For AT&T, I got a dividend payment of $1.77, and I have about $102 of capital tied up in that one. So you can see the next round is going to be pending for ExxonMobil, FE, ENBL, and ET. A lot of oil is coming up next. All right. And a little bit older, got a little bit of a net for 63 cents. So total for this month in May so far is $10.85 on $708 worth of capital, which is a yield of 1.5%. So that's not bad for this month. We'll see how things go a little bit further in the future. Most of those pay quarterly dividends, so you can multiply that number by 4 and figure out the yield. But so we'll see how things go. All right, guys. Let's go back and take a look at. Let's go back and take a look at the stocks that I have here. All right, we got ET, SHLX, NGL. Alright, you got all these dividend paying stocks, and we'll review the dividend payments we get every month. Like I said before, I'm investing $100 a week into these dividend paying stocks in hopes to get to $50,000 of passive income. I also have some other dividend paying stocks that I'll review. You can go see my Patreon account to review the rest of those, because some of those just won't record, and I don't have a really good way of sharing all the spreadsheets and stuff like that. So if you guys want to venture over there, check things out, let me know what you think. Alright, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe and like for updates on dividend paying stocks and passive income. Thanks for watching.